Alright, you guys, I am back in Marshall's. We got this doggy on top. I'm pretty sure he's gonna make noise. Yeah, he makes noise. Okay, you get set of 2. These are by Martha Stewart. Oh, they kind of remind me of Beetlejuice.
Yeah. Yeah, look like this.
They're gonna be $29.99. Stake light, so they're just solar. What is this
They get a
one?
bigger set. It's a 3 set, I think. Set of 3.
Do not disturb. Yeah, that's another Martha.
Don't disturb, keep out, and something else. There's 2 different ones in each one. This one has the same ones.
Oh, this is larger.
Yeah, and then they have like 1 extra, which is right here.
Okay.
Rest in pieces.
50. Oh, okay. This tin guy we saw at HomeGoods. We saw you guy already. We got the Boo. These are 10. More of the Boo guy. The ghost. Kind of like in that off pink. I don't know how I feel about like that off color. $12.99. Let me bring it.
Yeah, I'd probably paint them back to white.
Here we go. Ooh. And again, Hello Kitty is everywhere I go. There's just so much Hello Kitty. Again, with the pumpkin, I'll just share it again. 20.
Was this the one that lady grabbed from in front of you the other day?
No, she grabbed some other figure.
Oh.
But I was like, oh god, I don't care.
She's like walks right next to you and reaches around you. Excuse
20.
me, I need this.
$20 for that. Here's a bat. I'm not sure this is a chalkboard. It'd be kind of cool. You know what? 7. You could make it a chalkboard and keep it in your kitchen and be like today's delights or something. Delights lasagna, tacos, frightfully hamburgers. I don't know. You get what I'm saying? I think that would be kind of. Or if you're a teacher, preschool, you could like chalkboard it and paint like student of the month or student of the week, their name. I don't know.
Or use it as your Halloween name tag.
Yeah.
Your desk, yeah.
Here's a Hello Kitty pumpkin one. This one I know I haven't seen. Got the orange bow with the skull. I like this pumpkin cauldron. 25. So most of the Hello Kitties are by Blue Sky, which are 25. And we have the Franken and the Mummy. 25. So I'm pretty sure here's the Mummy. This thing is always around. Oh yeah, we saw that guy at a different location. Has little bats on it.
Let me get him going a little.
Oh, you're gonna shake it up.
That way that motor can get all of you.
The same with this one. Has like confetti bats on the skull. That is pretty cool. I kind of like it.
I like the motors.
I like the bats.
Yeah.
I really do. The skull one's pretty cool once you get it going. Well, it's heavy. I find out how much it is though, but I want to get this going a little more.
Oh, it's got a motor too. That's cool. I think all snow globes just need motors now. Or the option of a motor.
Can you tell me how much that one is? It's pretty heavy to lift up. Just one hand.
It's all water weight.
How
20.
much? 20?
Yeah.
And then the hollow pumpkin. This guy, he's 5. The eyeball dispenser, spiders, tarantulas. These are 8. Sand and fog. We have the ghost, pumpkin of spice for $12.99, and then a lot of candles. We have Witch's Brew, which is going to be 8. California Candle Company. This is $8 too. Spooky Night, Spooky Cupcake. Oh, I like this vintage sticker. $8. Poison Apple. I feel like most of them are 8. Look at this one with the raven. It's cool. Smoked Vanilla. And that is $8. By W Home. Can we open that? It is very vanilla-y. It is smoky.
That's
Midnight. Look at this one.
Midnight Dreary.
It smells like your deodorant. I like the smell though. I like that man. Yeah. I like a masculine candle smell.
Oh, thank you, baby. A man's man.
Check these out with the patches. I wish there was a way. I wish they kind of like had like a Velcro thingy, and like underneath you could pop out this and maybe make it into a patch. But I feel like also maybe use it as a coaster. $12.99. Here's that one too. That's kind of cool too with the snake coming out. These could be coasters. Why not? Always seen the cement ones. Oh yeah, these are heavy guys. They're $12.99. $12.99 here. Sandalwood. Look at that lid though. You gotta love it. It's really heavy. It's pretty. Really pretty. Looks like they're $12.99. These are really heavy. Let's open this one.
Sure. This one here?
They're both the same, but they're just heavy.
Oh. Let's see.
For me, for one hand. No?
It smells like some kind of candy. I'm trying to think of what it is.
It kind of smells like deodorant too.
It does, but there's like
a light scent. I don't know. Really different. Oh my gosh. This is a candle. Eternal Charm. I didn't know. This would be really cool if it was a citronella candle and then you could have it outside like all year if you really want to. This bad, oh dang, it is heavy and that's my favorite thing. Eternal Charm. Look at this as a candle. Can you pick that up, babe?
Cool. Yeah.
It's heavy. Uh-oh, how much is she? Doesn't even say. No.
Oh, $60.
$60. Yep. I honestly could see how this is $60. It is very.
It's like a real bust. Yeah.
Yep. Cement and it's a candle. Look at this Ghoulish one. Look at, she's like pouring a drink. See a price on her. $25 misting LED. Oh my gosh, she has her toad. You know I like that toad.
Cool if it was bigger and it was a punch bowl that was constantly stirring the punch.
That
like
would be cool.
A fountain that was doing it. That'd be cool.
And then down here we got the Hello Kitty. We have this set. It's gonna be $25. So you get two in here. 25. Okay, so far my favorite is that bottom.
I like it.
Rachel Zoe.
Medusa,
yeah.
Which fountain?
The 17. These are cute too. 17. Got the pumpkins. 17 for the bat lantern. Comes with a light already. The ghost pillow guy. 15. The large Mickey head. He's like a mummy. The large Mickey head is $30. You have like a Funko one.
Yeah. She is. No presents.
Look at this alien one. Studio Halloween 31. $12.99. $12.99 for that.
35.
35. That's crazy. For the blow mold, we've seen the dying couple. Make sure you don't drop something.
This is a cool one.
I know, but it goes on that, goes back on the stand. Howdy pumpkin. Look at, I like the little tooth. There was another one at a different location. I wanted to get it, $8. Okay, more ghosts. Down to Earth, $12.99. Okay.
I do like the way the jack-o'-lantern looks on that.
I like his little snaggle too. It's cute. Okay, here's like the pink hat one. The pink hat version 10. Now look at this little ghost guy on the pumpkin broom. He's cool. He's $8 here. They're all drinking fresh booed. They're all drinking like pumpkin lattes. Yeah. These are $7.
That's how they die.
Hey Boo here.
They drink Starbucks.
These are 10. Just here for the booze. Just here for the booze. These are 8. Okay, and the one having like an espresso martini with the black hat. These are cool because these are coasters. These are 10. And you get the entire set. So you don't have to worry about that. And this one right here. That's 15. Let's see, Big Boo. Little boo. Stand behind me.
There you go.
No, stand right here. $15. Yeah, I just shared that.
Oh, you saw this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got a Mickey. Boo Hot. Was this the one I was thinking about? But it was in white.
Yeah.
Because I had the mean cactus. I thought it was kind of cool. It's $8. And then we have the oil. These are $8 right here. And then more mugs. Stand right there. Thank you. And the ghost one. This is $12.99. And then the skeleton. Big Boo, Little Boo in the back.
Have you seen these guys up here?
Yeah.
These
It's in like one of the HomeGoods videos.
Oh.
Alright. And that is it. That is it. All these pumpkins. This is $12.99. Pretty cool. Alright. It looks like that is it for Marshalls, you guys. Kind of came in on a whim to see what is new. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you find something you're looking for a bit like this bat over here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.